Creating a GitLab account is a simple process that allows you to access and manage your Git repositories. Here's how to do it. Visit the GitLab website. Open your web browser and go to GitLab's official website. Sign up for an account. Click on the sign up button located at the top right corner of the page. Choose a sign up method. You can sign up using an email address or through an existing account with Google, GitHub or Bitbucket. For email sign up, enter your name, username, email address and password. Read and agree to GitLab's terms of service and privacy policy. Click register. Verify your email. Check your email inbox for a verification email from GitLab. Click the verification link in the email to confirm your account. Set up your profile. Once your email is verified, log into GitLab. Complete your profile by adding additional information like your bio, profile picture and other relevant details. Start using GitLab. You can now create new projects, join groups and start collaborating on Git repositories.